Imagine your body as a grand orchestra, each organ playing its part, every system contributing to the symphony of life. But sometimes the violins go sharp, the trumpets lose breath, and the percussionist is out of rhythm. Enter peptides, the tiny conductors and virtuoso soloists that bring harmony back to the score of health and longevity. These microscopic maestros are already rewriting what's possible in medicine, vitality, and human performance. At Illuminated Peptides, powered by Omniext Tech, we believe this is not just science fiction. It's science fact unfolding in real time. By blending cutting-edge biotech, artificial intelligence, and personalized medicine, we are helping to light the path forward in peptide research, biotech, AI, and personalized medicine. We're living in a golden age of biotech. Modern labs don't look like sterile white rooms of the past. They're vibrant innovation hubs where artificial intelligence deciphers genetic code, molecular biology fine-tunes new compounds, and personalized medicine ensures treatments are tailored to the individual. For decades, healthcare has relied on a one-size-fits-all model, a t-shirt approach that fits some and fails others. Today, AI-driven diagnostics and peptide-based therapies are flipping that script. Instead of blunt instruments, medicine is moving toward precision tools that target cellular pathways directly. Peptides stand at the center of this revolution. These small chains of amino acids act with remarkable specificity, often binding to receptors and triggering natural processes with fewer side effects than traditional drugs. Think of them as artisanal medicine, finely crafted molecular solutions, not mass-produced pills. PT141, the spark of desire. One of the most recognized peptides today is PT141, bremelanotide. Unlike conventional medications that focus on blood flow, PT141 works at the level of the brain, activating melanocortin receptors tied to sexual desire. The result? It doesn't just enable function, it reignites genuine want. Approved in the US for premenopausal women with hypoactive sexual desire disorder, PT141 is being studied and used more broadly across men, postmenopausal women, and individuals facing libido challenges. Research shows it acts quickly, effects can appear within about 30 minutes, and may be even more effective when combined with other therapies. Yes, side effects like nausea or flushing exist, as with many medications, but compared to traditional alternatives, PT141's ability to target the brain's command center makes it a breakthrough. It's not just updating the Wi-Fi, it's upgrading the entire operating system of intimacy. LC216, engineering metabolism. If PT141 is the love doctor, LC216 is the metabolic engineer. Sometimes referred to as LIPOC, this peptide formulation includes compounds such as L-carnitine, inositol, choline, and vitamin B12, all linked to energy production, fat metabolism, and liver health. While LC216 is still in the research phase, early findings suggest it could one day help transform metabolic care. Instead of fighting with a sluggish metabolism, imagine tuning it like a high-performance engine. That's the promise LC216 represents. At Illuminated Peptides, we view LC216 as part of the future wave, one of many peptides now under investigation that could redefine how we manage weight, energy, and longevity. Human chorionic gonadotropin. Another fascinating molecule often grouped with peptides is human chorionic gonadotropin. Best known as the hormone detected in pregnancy tests, human chorionic gonadotropin has been repurposed in medical and longevity settings for its to regulate fertility, balance hormones, and support testosterone production in men. Clinics worldwide are exploring human chorionic gonadotropin as a tool for energy, mood, and body composition support. practitioners sometimes call it a hormonal harmonizer, helping the endocrine system stay in tune even as age challenges its rhythm. When hormones work together, the body feels balanced and overall health improves. Peptides in regenerative and longevity medicine. Step inside a modern longevity clinic and you'll find diagnostics that look like aerospace engineering, personalized treatment plans crafted like investment portfolios, and at the center of it all, peptides. Around the world, regenerative medicine is leveraging these powerful molecules to accelerate wound healing, stimulate tissue repair, support immune balance, and enhance cognitive resilience. The shift is unmistakable. Medicine is evolving from reacting to illness toward proactive, regenerative approaches designed to extend health span, the vibrant, high-quality years of life, rather than focusing solely on survival. Illuminated peptides. The rise of peptides has created both excitement and confusion. With new compounds, wellness trends, and bold claims appearing daily, how do you know what's real? That's where Illuminated Peptides steps in. Think of us as peptide sommeliers, guiding you through the science, the research, and the possibilities with clarity and transparency. Our focus is on, we are the nation's leading name in peptide research, committed to innovation and integrity. Every peptide we provide meets rigorous quality control and research standards. From education to support, our approach is designed to empower practitioners and researchers with confidence. We see a future where peptides redefine medicine, and we're leading the way with science, not hype. Why peptides truly matter. Peptides represent the perfect intersection of science, precision, and personalization. Their small size allows them to access molecular pathways larger drugs cannot reach. They can repair tissue, balance hormones, regulate metabolism, and fine-tune immune responses. Beyond PT141, LC216, and HCG, researchers are exploring kisspeptin for sexual health, CAPGDF15 for appetite regulation, and dozens more compounds with life-changing potential. Imagine a future where weight management, fertility, and even mood disorders can be addressed with customized peptide therapies built for your unique biology. That future is already coming into focus, and Illuminated Peptides is proud to be at the forefront. Peptides are transforming medicine, not just treating, but restoring and enhancing health. At Illuminated Peptides, powered by Omniext Tech, we light the path forward in peptide research. Trusted, transparent, illuminated. America's #1 choice for research peptides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.